Mary Pose it. Did I pig out yesterday? Um, I didn't pig out during dinner because I don't like Thanksgiving dinner as much as I like the appetizers. So my wife, did I put it on Instagram? If I didn't, she made this plate. I didn't put it on Instagram. She made this plate with meat and grapes and cheeses and vegetables. And my sister brought over some deviled eggs, brought over, English phrasal verb. So I ate a lot. I pigged out on the appetizers and I didn't have any room for Thanksgiving dinner. My belly was too full. So what I did was I pigged out on the appetizers. I took a break during dinner. I got a smaller portion for dinner. And then guess what? I pigged out on desserts after. That's how Thanksgiving went down at my house.